Hello, good morning, Mr. YAFES. Eddie Mubarak. Finally, your machine is finished. Now, behind me is your machine. I will show you the ice coming process and the ice quality as well. Okay. So after 45 days, your machine is now finally complete. Okay. Now it's the final testing stage. As you can see, the machine is one body installation. So when you receive the machine, it's exactly like this. Okay, you just connect this water pipe to the water cooling tower, and you can start to make ice after charging some freon gas. And now I come to see the operation menu. Okay, and now it's, ice making time is 900 seconds. And there's a few times before the ice release. Okay. Show you the specification here. Okay. And here we have the English. Okay. Control interface. Blah blah blah. Okay. Everything's in English. Okay. So you can monitor also the high pressure and low pressure in here. Ice making time, ice making circles. Okay, and here some pressure meters. Okay, high pressure meters. This one you can supervise during the ice making. Okay, this is the voltage. Okay, this is the electric current. Okay, let's look inside the electric box. Okay. So this one is Siemens PLC, okay, and the other brands are Schneider brands, okay. Also here we have the Schneider brand as well. This one, the electric components. Also from Schneider, okay. All these we use a good brand, okay. And this one compressor from Pizza as well, as usual, okay. It's water pumps, and you can see the cables. We make it right and fix it onto the net. Yes, it's a much better sorted way. Okay, and this one is genuine Bitzer. We have the original documents in here, the Bitzer certificates. Okay, technical specifications, and so on. So one machine's one original documents. Okay, this is liquid tanks. Okay, this is a special design vertical